Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. We have started the new chapter that is area related to circle. And in this video, we are going to learn about the perimeters and areas of a circle, semicircle and quadrant. First we learn about the perimeter of a circle. Perimeter of a circle. What we say about perimeter? Perimeter is the boundary of any of the figure. Here the figure is a circle of radius r. So the perimeter of a circle is also known as the circumference. We call it the circumference of circle. We know that any of the circle we draw, the ratio of its circumference to its diameter is a constant. So we say the ratio of circumference to the diameter is a constant. And this constant is taken as pi. Circumference we denote by c, diameter we denote by d, and that is equal to pi. If we cross multiply this here, we are getting c is equal to pi into d. And we know that diameter is equal to twice of radius. If we substitute that here, it will be pi into 2r. And that's the reason we say that the circumference of a circle is given by 2 pi r. Here we know that the value of pi is taken as 22 by 7 or 3.14 approximately. Exact value of pi is not 22 by 7 or 3.14. That is an irrational number. And we have learned this in the videos for real numbers. Now suppose we want to find out the perimeter of a semicircle. Perimeter of semicircle. We can say here that the perimeter of semicircular sheet, if we take, that contains two parts. One is the circumference of it, that is half of the circle, and one is the diameter. It means the perimeter of semicircle will be given by circumference plus diameter, and circumference of semicircle is half of this. It means that is pi into r, and diameter is 2r. If we take r common, can we say it is pi plus 2 into r? This is given as the perimeter of a semicircle. Then perimeter of quadrant. Suppose we convert into a quadrant, we draw a radius here perpendicular to this diameter. Then this is the quadrant. In quadrant also we find that this is circumference and there are two radii in this. So we can say this is equal to circumference plus 2 into r, that is 2 radii. And circumference of a quadrant is 1/4 of the circumference of a circle. Will it be equal to 2 pi r upon 4 plus 2r? If we take r common, will it be pi by 2 plus 2 or not? So this is the perimeter of a quadrant. One more thing we should learn here, that if this is a circular wheel, if it completes one of the revolution, then the distance covered by it will be equal to the circumference. So we can remember here that one revolution, distance covered will be equal to the circumference, that is 2 pi r. So this is very useful, that we must learn that in one revolution a circular sheet or circular wheel covers the distance equal to circumference. Now we discuss about the area of a circle. To find the area of a circle, we can find an easy way that we can divide it into smaller arcs. If we divide it into many numbers of arcs or the sectors, we can say that will give you the accuracy of the area of circle. Here we have taken as 16 parts of a circle, we have divided into 16 sectors. And if we arrange them like this, one upside down, another upward, then this forms like a parallelogram. And all these are forming like circles because this arc is so smaller that this will be acting as a line. So this will be just like a straight line. And this is also just like a straight line because half of the triangles we have taken here and half on this side, then the length of this parallelogram will be equal to half the circumference of the circle. And here also this is c by 2. So this acts like a parallelogram. In case you want to find out the area of a triangle, because these all are just like triangles. And we can see here very easily that if we are dividing into 16 parts, then the base of each or length of each arc will be c upon 16. That is circumference divided by 16. And that will be same as the base of the triangle. Now total number of triangles, because we have taken here 16, so this is 16 here. Now what is the altitude of triangle? Each triangle you can see will be having the altitude as the radius of the circle, that will be equal to r. We know that area of a triangle is given by half into base into altitude. So the area of 16 triangles will be 16 into half into base into altitude or not. And here we are finding this is 8. 2 into 8 is 16. Into base. Base here is c upon 16. Into altitude. Altitude is r. We know c, circumference, is given by 2 pi r. This is 2 pi r upon 16 into r. This 8 cancels this 16 twice and this 2 cancels this 2. So it comes as pi r square. So pi r square is the area of the circle. Even if we take this a parallelogram, then area of parallelogram is given as base into altitude. Base here is c by 2 and altitude is the radius. C, that is 2 pi r, that is length of circumference of a circle, divided by 2 into r. This 2 cancels this 2 and this comes as pi r square. So we can understand it anyway, either by finding the area of 16 triangles, adding them, the area comes as pi r square, or by applying the area of the parallelogram, that is also pi r square. It means the area of a circle can be given by pi r square. So we could learn just now that the area of a circle is given by pi r square, whether you find it by dividing it into 16 sectors and converting to 16 triangles and finding the area, or by the area of parallelogram. Now we talk about the semicircle. As we know that semicircle is half of the circle, it means the area of semicircle will be equal to half of area of circle or not. That will be half into pi r square, or we can say pi r square by 2. That is the area of the semicircle. Now suppose we want to find out the area of a quadrant. Quadrant means what? If we draw a perpendicular here, this is the quadrant. This is 1/4 of the circle. So we can say the area of quadrant will be 1/4 into area of a circle, and that is equal to 1 by 4 into pi r square, or we can say pi r square by 4. It means the area of a quadrant can be given by pi r square divided by 4, that is 1/4 of a circle. So in this video we have understood how to find out the circumferences of a circle, semicircle and quadrant, and also their areas. In the next video we will learn about the sectors of a circle, what are the types of the sectors, and how to find out the area of a sector of a circle. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any comments or doubts, leave them in the comment box and I will get back to you.